Sunken Gardens. Check that out. That's so cool. Prince Rupert. Beautiful day anyway. Check out the Sunken Gardens.
Hello.
Hello. Wow. It's beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous?
Oh, so pretty.
Oh. Wow. Isn't that nice? Is it hunter approved?
Yep.
Beautiful.
Big old eagle's nest up in that tree there. I don't know if you can see it up there.
An eagle's nest?
Yeah, see it up in that great big spruce up there up high. You see a whole bunch of bushes and trees up there with the nest.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, they're usually there in the spring, eh? Usually the,
Nice.
yeah, ravens and stuff give them a hard time.
Beautiful job. It's beautiful here.
Yeah, they do beautiful work here.
Yeah. Wow.
Always wanted to come here.
Huh?
I always wanted to come here and check it out. Prince Rupert, BC. Absolutely gorgeous job they've done here. Beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.